Good day viewers, welcome to Vayo's Kitchen channel. Today I will be teaching how to make chocolate mud cake. Here is my recipe. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also give me a thumb up. Also hit on the bell button to be getting my notifications. On my table here you can see them displayed. I have 10 eggs. Then I also have instant coffee here, 60 ml. That is a tablespoon with 60 ml of water, don't forget. I also have hot water, 350 ml. Exotic flavor, 2 tablespoons. Baking soda, 2 teaspoons. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Milk, 250 ml. Vegetable oil, 60 ml. Black treacle, 4 tablespoons. Baking powder, 4 teaspoons. Golden syrup, 4 tablespoons. Butter or margarine, 500 grams. Sugar, 1100 grams. Flour, 700 grams. Dark chocolate, 16 ounces, which is 500 grams. And cocoa powder, 1 cup. So now the first thing we're going to be doing is to add our sugar into a bowl. Followed by our butter, that is the margarine or salted butter, whichever one you want to use. But here I'm using unsalted butter. Next I am adding the chocolate. You can see it has been crushed into the same bowl. Next you are going to place it on top of a simmering water to dissolve completely. Next you are going to be melting your coffee. Remember, a tablespoon of coffee with 60 ml of hot water. Dissolve it, mix it until there is no lump in it, and then add it to the chocolate mixture while still on the simmering water. Now start stirring until everything is completely dissolved. Just don't be in a hurry. Do this. After the whole thing is completely mixed, if you notice some tiny lumps, you can actually sieve it using your sieve. But if there's no more lumps, you just go ahead and continue using it. Next, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down a little. Transfer it into the mixing bowl and place it on your mixer, electric mixer. Scrape out everything in the bowl into the mixing bowl and start mixing. Next, start adding your milk to cool it down a little bit before adding your eggs. This is because if you add your eggs while the chocolate is still very hot, there is tendency that the eggs will begin to curdle and begin to form lumps inside the hot chocolate mixture. So continue adding your eggs now, one by one, until all is added and fully incorporated. Now keep mixing. Now begin to mix your flour, your cocoa powder, all the powdered ingredients, your baking powder, your baking soda, all the powdered ingredients you have on the table. Mix all of them together and then start folding into the chocolate mixture. Make sure you mix very well. Now inside the chocolate mixture, begin to add your black treacle and your golden syrup. Then your flavors and your vegetable oil. Now remove from the mixer and begin to fold in your flour mixture into the chocolate mixture until all is well mixed. Next, pour into prepared pans. You can see the paper is a bit up. I have to do this because I actually want the mixture to get to the level of the height of the pan. And then after pouring in, my oven has been preheating for 5 minutes now. Straight, I am taking them to the oven. Now close the oven and allow it to cook for at least 40 minutes to 1 hour. And here is my final result. Please subscribe and give me a thumb up if at the end of this video you like it. Share and comment on my comment box. Ask me any question and I will be willing to answer you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.